Hi there, and welcome to TestingGuild and our session today on choosing a test case management system. I'd like to introduce myself first. My name is Chad Capson. I am currently a software development engineer in test. Testing was a world that I dropped into many years ago. Was trying to get a position in a field as an engineer, and it just didn't quite work out, but along the way I found that I had a higher calling and really found that I enjoyed the testing world. And ever since then, I've just kept with it. Really like it. It's a great field to be in, and it's exciting. There's always a lot going on, lots of change, and a lot of good people out there in the industry, out there in the field, who want to and are very passionate about the quality of their software and their organization and making improvements. And working with those people has been a very life-fulfilling career for me, something that I've enjoyed tremendously. Today, I'd like to spend some of that time sharing some of the things that I've learned over the years, some of the principles and guides that have helped me, especially, for instance, choosing a test case management system, hence the session, amongst other things. And hopefully we can come together and find some wonderful things to take back to our groups and implement and make our teams a better place and produce higher quality software. So let's begin. All right.